Okay, students, we are learning rational numbers and various operations of rational number. Already addition, subtraction, multiplication is over, and I think you have gone through the videos, you have solved the exercises, and you don't have any problem on the subject rational number aspect. You don't have any problem. Actually, the operations you are doing is the same thing what you have done as a fraction in your previous standard. So therefore things are easy. Only thing, the properties is included in this standard, and then properties you must be aware of. So by division we learn the only operation left for rational number. Then few word problems, then we will end this lesson. So we learn division. Division, as you all know, if division is can be said as the repeated subtraction. Similar like addition is multiplication is repeated addition. Division has also got linked with subtraction. If the dividend from the dividend, if the divisor is subtracted till the remainder comes 0 0, I means leftovers become 0 0, then as many times you are subtracting, that will be the answer of the division. So that you all know, in the junior classes you have learned it. So what I mean to say is the properties of division is similar like subtraction. Associative property, commutative property doesn't comply. For a whole number, closures property also doesn't comply. Means division is not closed for a whole number. For a rational number, it is closed. Why? Because dividing one rational number by another rational number, it will be a rational number. So closures property only comply in case of division, other properties doesn't. Could you understand? And division has got some similarity with multiplication also. Can you tell me what? It's the inverse operation of multiplication. Means what you do for multiplication, you find out the product, you find out here you find out the quotient. Means it's the reverse operation, you can say. What you have learned in a previous standard for fractions and all, when you are dividing one fraction by another, that time what you have learned is, divisor fraction become reciprocal. What you understand by reciprocal, you must have not forgotten, and I said in my previous video also, reciprocal of any fraction, say about 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is the fraction. Reciprocal of it will be, denominator will go to numerator and numerator will come to denominator. This is only called reciprocal. Could you understand me? So you must not forget this. Okay, let us move on to exercise 1C, page number 23 and 24. Things are very simple and easy. You children are, very thorough on this, but till I will tell you, more you learn, more you will gain knowledge. That is there. If you polish your shoe more and more, it will ensign more. That is why if your knowledge is such, more you revise and learn, more the knowledge you will gain. So it's okay. Don't think in this way, the unnecessary violating the time. See, man is not master always. Overconfidence is also very bad, like, underconfidence. So don't gain overconfidence. I will advise you to go through my videos. Definitely, you will add on something to your syllabus. I have said to you, though the syllabus you have learned it earlier, I myself have taught it. But similarly, if I teach you second time, repeated time, then repeated time, some addition will be there. So therefore, do not leave up the class. Okay, listen to me. Now, question number 1 I have taken up exercise 1C. They are simple division of fractions, which is very simple. So I need not to explain too much. Till I have taken question number 4 of question number 1, 4, 8 and the 12th one. So fourth one, 12 by 25 divided by minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 is the divisor rational number. Divisor rational number will become reciprocal, what I said to you just now. So dividend will remain same, so let the dividend be remain same, and divisor is minus 4 by 5, it will become minus 5 by 4. Could you understand me? That's very simple. Now you go for cancellation and making the smallest term. That all you are smart of. So see, that 25 is the denominator, minus 5 is the numerator. So minus 5 and 25 will go, 5 5 is the 25, 5 will come here, and here minus 1. You can very well do an operation. Seeing the division and the multiplication, as many number of division or multiplication sign is there. If even number of multiplication or division sign is there, then it will be plus. If it is even number of minus also divided or multiplied, then it will be plus sign. if odd number of multiplication or division signs, if that is multiplied or divided, the sign will become plus, I mean minus. Otherwise, even number of minus or plus sign, it will become plus only. I hope you have understood it. If I have uttered something wrong, you correct it. Means minus 2 times of minus multiplication will give you result plus, 4 times of minus multiplication or division result will give you plus. Even number of times minus sign multiplied or divided, the sign, the result will be in plus. Odd number of minus or sign is multiplied or divided, the result will come in minus. So you can do that very nicely. It is even number of times, 2 times means even result will come in plus. So that you can do. Otherwise you can do this way, step by step. Minus 5, so minus 1 it will become. 4 will go, minus 4 will go with 12, because 12 is the numerator and minus 4 is the denominator. It will be minus 1 and 3. Okay. So on top in numerator, 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So this minus will be cancelled. Minus divided by minus is plus. So 3 by 5 will be the answer. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Once again, reciprocal of the first operation for division is reciprocal of the divisor fraction. That is what into 72 by 75, 25 you have done it. 25 will go, 25 can divide 125, so it will become 5. 5, 25 is 125. And this will be have the common divisor, 8, 4s are 32 and 8 9s are 72. So that will become, so it will become minus 4, and then this will become minus 4 and 5. And this result will come in minus. I think only one number of times minus. Yeah, result will come in minus. 4 into 9, 5 into 9 divided by minus 4. So it will become minus 45 by 4, which is equal to minus, you can write it down as this, but minus 11 whole 1 by 4. I hope you have understood it. Moving on to question number 12. Question number 12 is said to you that 25. See, dividend doesn't have any remainder. No remainder also means the remainder is 1. So minus 25 by 1 in P by Q format, that is Q not equal to 0. Always denominator has to be there if it is a rational number. Denominator is there actually. It is not visualized always. It is given silent. Could you understand me? So minus 25 by 1 it will be. So this will reciprocal. It will become minus 5 by minus 7 by 5. 5 will be cancelled. It will become minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 7, it will definitely be plus 35. 35 is the answer. See, these are very simple. Only thing you don't go in a hurry and don't skip the minus operation. They mean sign operation. Don't skip up all these things. Then you will land into a correct answer. Now divide this one. Question number 2 I have taken. This divided by in another format. Divide written, then it is given like this question. Second one and fourth one I have taken. Solution similar. Divided by 2, it will be 1 by minus 50, because it is 50 by 1 obviously. So it will become 1 by minus 50. 25 will be cancelling minus 50 by minus 2, because 25 2s are 50. So 1 by 6 into minus 2, 1 by 12, which is equal to minus 1 by 12. Could you understand? If the numerator is minus, or then the result of the rational number will be minus. If the denominator is minus, then also result will be minus. Both minus means it will be plus. So moving on to this question, the fourth one, 9 whole 4 by 5 divided by 16 whole 1 by 3. If you convert this one into improper fraction, if a mixed number has to be converted into improper fraction for a easy operation. So you did it. So it will be 45 plus 49 by 5 divided by 49 by 3. 49 and 49, very good. You have got a hot cake. So numerator and denominator will be cancelled. 49 by 5 and 3 by 49, they will be cancelled. The 3 by 5 will be the answer. Things are very simple. Now moving on to verifying this thing. This is proving one of the law. Can you tell me what is the law proved here? Two rational numbers are there. One rational number divided by other rational number. Then other side, the second rational number is the dividend, and the first rational number is the divisor of this. So what is this law? Yes, it is closures law. I mean commutative property of division. So commutative property doesn't comply, I said to you at the beginning. So division is not commutative, that is what we will prove. We will prove this. So you solve left hand side and you solve right hand side separately. You don't write down these two are, this is a by b, this is c by d, and a by b divided by c by d not equal to c by d divided by a by b according to the commutative law. That you can write down if it is short question, but don't you prove it better, you will have to verify it. So verification is equal. How will you do? Left hand side you solve minus 32 by 11 divided by minus 16 by minus 22. Minus 32 by 11 into minus 22 by minus 16. That will be, simplified as 2 into minus 2 will be, because the 16 and 32 will be cancelled. 2, 11 will go minus 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. This side value is minus 4. Let us see right hand side. 60 minus 16 by minus 22 divided by minus 32 by 11. Minus 32 by 11 will become 11 by minus 32. The minus 16 minus 32 will be cancelled and will become 2. Minus minus will be cancelled and 11 will go 2. So minus 2. So 11 is minus 2. So 1 by 2 minus 2 into 2, that is 1 by minus 4. It is 1 by minus 4 this side and this is minus 4. Minus 4 is never equal to minus 1 upon 4. No? So this is not equal to, therefore this side you have to write down complete sum. Minus 32 divided by 11 divided by minus 16 by minus 22 is not equal to minus 16 by minus 22 divided by minus 32 by 11. That verified. You have to write down this. You have to prove this way. Okay. Now moving on to question number 4. Question number 4 is another very simple sums you need to go through. Just the operation it is said to you. See, product of two rational number is 8. See, product of two number is 30. One number is 5. Another number will be what? 30 divided by 5. Isn't it? Very simple. So that is what here for the rational number also, product of two rational number is 8. If one of them is this, then find the other. So definitely it will be division of product. From the product you have to divide one of the number, you will find the other rational number. If you do it, then reciprocal of this number, it will be minus 3 by 2. 2 and 4 will be 8 will be cancelled, means 8 will go in. 2 can divide 8, so it will come 4. 4 into minus 3 is 4. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So other rational number will be, the other one will be minus 12. You understand me? Don't think that minus 12 is not a rational number because it doesn't have any denominator. Denominator is there or here. I have said time and again. Could you understand me? Now let us do question number 5. But what should you means what should 12 by 13 be divided to get this? By what? This is the dividend. This rational number is the dividend. You will have to divide with some rational number so that you will get the quotient as this. So what you need to do, you do not know means you can make it as x variable. Otherwise you can make an interrogation sign. But the divisor rational number will become reciprocal. That operation don't forget. So it will be better if you take a variable. So to let 12 by 13 be divided by x to get this, you write down a little statement to take x as the rational number which can divide this one to get this. So you just make that equation, what 12 by 13 divided by x is equal to 2 by 3 according to the question, isn't it? So what will happen? So 12 by 13, 1 by x, children does the mistake, you transpose that side, but it is x, it will become 1 by x because x is the rational number, divisor rational number. Divisor rational number ever has to be reciprocal. So 1 by 12 by 13 into 1 by x. So that will become equal to 2 by 3. So 1 by x, if you transpose this one to other side, denominator will go to numerator, numerator will come to denominator. That you know that. If you are transposing anything other side of the equal to, that will change its signs. I have said you several times for it, solving the linear equation. Here the same thing, here you are solving linear equation. So what happened, this one is there as a product. When it goes there, it will be divided. Divided means it will go, denominator goes to multiply, it will be multiplied with numerator and numerator will be multiplied to denominator. That you must remember. So that is what 1 by x, we didn't change it. So 2 by 3 was there, then this becomes 13 divided by 12. So 1 by x value is what? 2 can cancel 12, 6. So 13 by 18. So 1 by x is equal to 13 by 18. Mind it, there you are doing the mistake. 1 by x is equal to 13 by 18. So x will be just reciprocal it. If you reciprocal the left hand side, you have to definitely reciprocal the right hand side. So that is what you have done. X value is 18 by 13. So 18 by 13 only, if you by 18 by 13 only, if you divide this rational number, you will find 2 by 3. I hope you have understood it. Moving on to question number 7. Divide the sum of 5 by 8 and 13 by 12 by the product of this. Whatever it is said to you, proceed. Divide the sum of this. This to sum means addition of these two. You have done it. By what you are dividing? The product of this. Product means multiplication of these two. These two you are multiplying. So if you frame, if you write down in a figure, then what will happen? 5 by 8 plus 13 by 5 by 8, sum of these two. 5 by 8 plus this, because your sum means addition. These two divided by this rational number into this. If you do this, first you solve this first. This one, if you are solving, then 24 will be the LCM. 8 and 12, 24 is the LCM. If you divide 8 by 8, 24, you will get 3. 3 5s are 15. If you divide 24 by 12, you will get 2. 2 13 is 26. So this value will be 15 plus 26 by 24. You agree to me? Because 8 and 12 LCM will be 24. Could you understand? Now let us solve this divisor part. 2 by 3 into 27. 3 will be cancelling this. 3 9s it will be. And 2 will be cancelling this. So 4. So 9 by 4 it is. So 9 by 4. This divided by 9 by 4. Isn't it? Agreed? Now this one will be what? 15 plus 26 divided by 24 is 41 by 24. And divisor is 9 by 4. Your operation is not yet over, because you are having division sign. You have to make it reciprocal and multiply. So 41 by 24 into 4 by 9 it will become. So 4 can cancel 24 6 times. 41 is a prime number, it will not be. So 41 by 6 into 9, 54. 41 by 54 will be the answer. By that, if you divide the sum of these two by the product of these two, then you will find this is the answer. Could you understand me? Hope things are clear. Now moving on to fill in the blanks. See, this is not very easy and like objective type, See, this divided by this is equal to minus 12 by 7. I have taken the fourth one. See, if you do not know this, take it as x. You are class 8 students. So you can take a variable wherever you need something. You take an unknown variable and find out the value of the unknown variable doing the operations. Then what is asked to you according to the statement, you write down. Okay. So solution will be what? Minus 13. Let the divisor be x. Therefore minus 36 into 1 by x. It will be into 1 by x. Why it will be? Because divided by x it is. So one line I have skipped. You can very well write down as, whether the pen will be working or not, I don't know. Minus 36 divided by x is equal to minus 12 by 7. Then this line will be minus 36 into 1 by x. This is a divisor. 1 by x is equal to minus 12 by 7. Now 1 by x, this one will be cross multiplication, I said to you. So this is numerator, so it will come to 7. So minus 12 will remain and 7 will be multiplied with minus 36. 1 by x value will be that. These two will be cancelled. 3s are. So 1 by 21. 1 by x is equal to 1 by 21. Therefore x will become, I said reciprocal both the side. If you are making it, then you can very well do it. So left hand side, make it reciprocal, so it will become x. This one reciprocal, it will become 21. So x is equal to 21. So 21 is the blank place. Could you understand me? You solve all other sums. Doubt if any, just talk to me.